Welcome back to BGP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. Now today we got the nice sunset view in the Jeep SRT, about to hit that 70,100 mile mark on the SRT here. But we're going to be doing, you know, just another POV drive, guys. We're going to be talking about that mean Borla ATAK exhaust in the back and just seeing what we can get into on this fine spring-ish day. I think we're finally starting to get there. So let's see if we can get some cool clips with some decent tones out of this thing. We do have a Prius in front of us here, of course, and of course they have the my student or my son or whatever is a scholar. You're certainly not, because you're driving a Prius. Just gonna go ahead and throw that one out there. But yeah, guys, hopefully we can get some pretty good exhaust clip sounds for you. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love the sound of this thing. I haven't really done one, haven't done a review or anything like that, but I wanted to just put this out there, and then in the future I'll do an actual review. But for now, I just wanted to put this out there, do a nice little POV drive, because I know you guys love when I do these, and just the sound of this thing is just, you guys hear that back there? Look, it's ready. Little downshift there to third. If you guys didn't know, in these, if you slam the gas down really hard, it'll downshift it to like the lowest gear. But yeah, it's gonna eat here. You know, this Prius wants to race, baby. They want to race. So I'm gonna race them. They want to race. Oh my God, they're getting cooked. Oh my God, they lost. Easy, easy, absolutely cooked. It's crazy how when you drive a Prius, you lose. I don't know. I don't make the rules, baby. I don't make the rules. But yeah, guys, this Borla ATAK exhaust, you know, like I said, I paid like $650 for it when I purchased it. Obviously, I got it used. If you guys haven't seen that video, I keep mentioning that video, but if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. Also, I did mention in the last video about these hoodies, and they're looking good, guys. If you haven't seen them, we are going to be dropping them. I guess when this video is live, they'll already be out. Oh! I forgot there's a bridge over here. I went the right way. I'm gonna pop the windows down. It's gonna get windy in here, but we're gonna do a little downshift in track mode under this bridge here. That noise is absolutely ridiculous. That crack with it, oh, and that shift, wow. That was like perfect. That was absolutely mint, bro. That was, I don't know, I couldn't get a better one. Look at this turn signal on in the SRT. Who uses a turn signal in the SRT? Apparently I do, for the first time ever. That sound is like ridiculous. Like it, I don't even know how to explain it, but it is ridiculous. It probably isn't even going to transfer to like the sound, or the audio on this GoPro is not going to be able to capture what that sounds like. But it just, like, when you're in sport mode, it winds up really, really high on these, and it just lets go when it shifts, and it farts out a little bit, and it's pretty good when it whips under a bridge like that. It's awesome. I absolutely love it.
A few moments later,
this guy's lurking, doing crack or something over there. That's crazy, man. You never know what you're gonna see in these POV drives. You know, the typical Rhode Islander just over there doing some crack on the side of the road, probably. You never know these days. But yeah, guys, this thing just, little downshift, like this thing. Oh my God, with the exhaust, it really just makes it so much more fun to drive. Like it was fun, obviously, no matter what, it's gonna be fun. But once you open up that sound and you get those nice, what was that? We just landed in like 6 craters at once and like jumped the thing. Man, I need to get out of this state, man. If you guys live in a state with some nice roads where you guys aren't running into holes like that every 2 seconds, let me know down in the comments section below where you guys are from and how bad the potholes are. Because here, it's literally every road is just awful. I don't know what we pay taxes for or what, but it ain't doing anything, because these roads suck. So what do you guys think of the Borla ATAK exhaust? I wasn't originally going to go with it, like I said, because I do prefer the Corsa. I think the Corsa Extreme sounded really, really good. That was also before I got the Borla ATAK in my hands, and I only heard both of them from video. But yeah, I loved the sound of the Corsa Extreme. I was going to go with that. And then I thought about it and I was like, hey, maybe I'll just save up a little bit more and do that like GT Haus or house, whatever it's called. I thought about maybe just getting that, you know, with the valves and opening it up. It sounds so good. That one has more of like an exotic sports car kind of sound, they say, as far as what it's going to be. And I do think it kind of has that kind of a tone to it. Whereas like these other ones, like the Borla ATAK and whatever, still give it a very similar sound to just, you know, a normal like V8 engine, like a little muscle car sound to it. But it sounds good. It gets some nice pops to it. It gets some nice grunts and groans depending. We could do it some paddles here. Can wind it out a little bit there. It's just, yeah, this car, like ideal daily driver for somebody who needs it in this kind of area. Like if you live in New England, you live somewhere that you guys need some sort of good like vehicle that can work in the snow, so just go ahead and get yourself one of these little babies. And you got a sports car in an SUV. If you can afford a Trackhawk and you think you want to pay, you know, more in gas because you're going to be popping out like, I don't know, like 1 mile per gallon. I think it's like 6 or something. But if you want to do that, then you guys can go ahead and get yourself one of those. You see we're in first here. Let's rip it. But yeah, guys, yeah, it's so fun, so fun. There's literally nothing more fun than just being able to rip this thing all the time. Now we got this nice 1 mile per hour slow van in front of us, so we're gonna go ahead and turn around here in a second so we can go ahead and go back that way. But this thing, I don't even know what to say, guys. Like, other than the fact that it just absolutely rips, it's perfect to me. And I'm very, very happy and satisfied with spending $650 to get this sound. Now, boys, another nice thing about this that like I didn't even realize with my Charger is the drone. Now, the drone on the Charger was so bad because I just cut everything out and just straight piped it. But with this, there's literally no drone at all. Like it doesn't even have like the slightest amount of drone anywhere. So just being able to listen, you know, to my girlfriend talk or be able to listen to music a little bit easier, it's pretty phenomenal. And I would definitely recommend this exhaust. And I know you guys can get it for cheap. You don't even have to buy it used like I did. Obviously, that's obviously the best bet. But you can just get it like new for, I want to say it might be like $1,500, $1,400. It goes on sale for all the time. So, oh my God, these roads are so bad. But yeah, you guys will be able to get, you know, this exhaust if you want to slap it on your SRT. Now, it's a huge thing, you know, obviously to have an SRT, to get an SRT, you know, it's expensive. And then the parts are just, you know, not even cheap to go with it. So I completely understand, you know, like wanting one and everything. But, you know, the 5.7 can get a similar sound. So if you guys are even able to upgrade from that 3.6 to that, you guys will definitely have a lot more fun and get a lot more sound out of it if you're looking for that. I definitely would say it's worth it if you have the extra money lying around. I guess no one really does. Are those deer over there? I don't even know. I'm distracted.
Just then.
But I have to get my rifle, fella. Yee! This is a good little strip right here to do a pull. This thing is like, I wouldn't say it's like fast, you know. Well, it depends what you're comparing it to. Comparing it to something like a Trackhawk is not fast, obviously, or something that does like 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds, like the Tesla Plaid or something like that. It's obviously not fast. It's quick, you know. It's got some get up and go to it. But for this size SUV, for the price range that this is, and for like the amount of horsepower and everything that it has, it's got a little bit of kick to it. It's not too bad, you know. It's faster than most of the cars you're going to be like driving near. Not too fast. I gotta break my speed record one day. I'm gonna break my speed record. They should have like a leaderboard at those signs, and it'll tell you like by your plate or something who's going too fast, and like that way you can kind of rank yourselves as far as like who's the fastest or something. I don't know. Could be a good idea. I mean, I'm not saying it should maybe track my plate, but I'm just saying it could work as a leaderboard, and your boy's got to be at the top of the leaderboard statistically. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys did think about this video about the Borla ATAK down below. Let me know about these hoodies. What you guys think? Are you gonna get some? If you do, they're probably at the top link in the description if you do want to get yourself one. It's a miles per gallon hoodie, because you know that 12.5 miles per gallon ain't doing shit today. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
It be the one that ain't got nothing to do, got something to say. It be the one that say they finna shoot, gon' run away. I'm gon' be the one to take my people out the gutter, baby. I won't stop this shit until my mama leave my brother straight.